Welcome to the instructions video for the Capacity Utilization OEE Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you measure your manufacturing equipment effectiveness by calculating overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. It combines availability, performance, and quality metrics to give you a complete picture of your production efficiency. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. First, input your planned production time and actual operating time to calculate availability. Next, enter your ideal cycle time and total pieces produced to determine performance rate. Finally, input your total pieces and good pieces to calculate quality rate. For example, enter 480 minutes planned time, 420 minutes actual runtime, 1 second ideal cycle time, 2,000 total pieces, and 19,000 good pieces. The calculator will show your availability percentage, performance percentage, quality percentage, and your overall OEE score. Results above 85% are considered world-class performance. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.